How's it going in TV land or YouTube land or whatever land? um, so today I just got some chili, white chicken chili. That's what it's called. My mom made it. She made this yesterday, but obviously I ate something else. But I did have this plated up and I had stored in my mini fridge so I can eat it for today. So, yeah. I always feel like this is missing something. That's why I don't really go for it too much. But rotisserie chicken, white beans, corn, salsa verde, um, cream cheese, I think, green chilies and stuff. So I'm not a soup guy. When I think of soup, I think about the most basic level soup, which is just a broth. Then you got the next step that has like chicken or something in it. And then you got the more loaded version. But any version, I'm just not really a fan. If I had to choose between a soup or a salad, I'm choosing a salad. But I do like this, and I like the black bean variant better because I like black beans more than white beans. But whatever. There's a lot of chicken in here, which I like because if it was just beans and corn and like juice or whatever, I wouldn't really be crazy about this. So what's everybody doing for Halloween? I'm probably just gonna, well, I know what I'm gonna do. After work, I'm just gonna come home and do the same thing I always do. Just chill. Probably make a video and then watch a movie or something. I didn't finish the Friday the 13th series because the streaming service I was watching it on, which was um, Paramount Plus, I believe, they didn't have all the movies, and I hate when streaming services do that. Like, just have all the movies on there. Not all this, oh, you got these movies here. You got a 12 film collection. We're only gonna give you 5 or 6, maybe 4. You gotta pay for the rest, and it's on a whole different like service. Like, that's retarded. So one of these days, somehow, some way, I'm eventually get to watching the rest of those movies. You know, then I gotta go through all of the Texas Chainsaw, all of the Chucky. You know, but Halloween still reigns supreme. Like I said, this is really good. Um, but I needed to wake it up with some salt because I just felt like it was kind of bland. Like, you can see the seasoning and stuff in there, but well, you know, I've been kind of craving since like yesterday or so, and I don't even know where some of these cravings even come from. But I've been craving like a really good salad. You know, I don't think I've eaten a salad on a channel yet, but I've been really craving a salad, like a really good hearty salad. I just found out that Chick-fil-A, or at least I paid attention to it, and realized that Chick-fil-A sells a Southwest salad, which is my favorite salad. That's the salad that got me into salads, you know, McDonald's, Hot Twins, you know, all that kind of stuff. So I gotta check that out because, you know, like I said, I like a really good Southwest salad. I think I got another salad. Got like strawberries and stuff in there. I'm not the biggest strawberry guy, but I do want to try it. It looks, still kind of looks good, to be honest. So I guess like some of the heat that I'm kind of feeling, like just a little bit, like in the back of the throat, or the back roof of your mouth, I guess you call it. Um, I'm guessing that's from the green chilies, but I never really known green chilies to really be hot like that. Which is not like hot like, you know, like sweating, but like you can feel the sensation, the tingle back there. This will definitely, I feel like this will definitely hit the spot really well on a real cold day, and it's nice and hot. It's time for a shave. But yeah, so white chicken chili is good. It's not something that I'm running, you know, to go eat or whatever, but it is something that if it's made, why not? Because like I said, it is good. That's like you know, you feel the, like I said, if it was more like cold, oh man, this would have been perfect. But like I said, it was still good. I enjoyed it. Just had to add a little extra little salt to kind of wake it up. Um, Real simple, you know. I'd never made it before, but like I said, it's real simple. She's making some more as we speak, because the batch from yesterday went so fast. She tried to blame me saying that I took it all, but I just wanted to give I just wanted to give me a good little bit, you know, so I could eat something. Cause I wasn't about to eat no damn ramen noodles. I've been wanting to make grilled cheese again, but I don't know. Just when I started making my grilled cheese using like a slice, like a slice of cheese, and then like some shredded cheese on top of that, and then you know cooking it, it just comes out way better, way more enjoyable to me than just the sliced cheese. But whatever, what you're talking about, who cares? But yeah, I'm hoping everybody's enjoying their day. Hope everybody has a great Halloween. Whether you're trick or treating, you're going to a little Halloween party, or if you're just chilling at home, watching movies. But yeah, it's gonna be it for this video. I love y'all and appreciate y'all. Until next time, peace out.